I'm Edge Bissett, CEO of CyberLogic. Kaseya lets us deal with more clients at the same time without taking on extra staff either. So it's helped us to improve our productivity. At the same time, we can also spend more on the staff we have, so we can invest in our skills. It gives more service value to our customers. We came across a number of different products, and Kaseya was the only one locally represented that we found. That was a big influence for us, the fact that it was locally represented. And once we met up with the Kaseya, or Garth from Kaseya, he helped it, well, he sold it very well. You know, using Kaseya means that we have to have better people using the system. You can't have an average technical person working on a system as powerful as Kaseya. So we spend a lot of time on training our people up on the Kaseya platform. But in the first place, we need less staff because of the productivity we're getting out of the system. So we can have fewer staff and we can train them better than we did before. This is great because it means our customers have contact with better technical people and they pick up on that from day to day. What we found with Kaseya is that the people that work for our company are more excited than they've been in the last 5 or 10 years by any technology they've seen, myself included. I'd say Kaseya's scripting is the most critical feature for us. You know, there are a lot of products out there that will monitor things or help you to do patch management or whatever the case may be, but very few of them have the scripting potential that Kaseya has. Using the Kaseya scripting, we can, for example, trigger, or an event can trigger a script automatically, so without our people getting involved manually, a situation can be rectified. Kaseya's remote management helps us a lot there. We've got systems we've been managing in the UK for 3 years now, which we've never physically seen. But using the right technology, we can manage those systems remotely. We're in a service industry, and what Kaseya does do is it lets us offer much higher service levels and actually stick to those service levels and measure those service levels too. So when we meet with our clients, we can actually show them that we've met the expectations we've created in the sales process. That's the first way it's given an edge. Second way is productivity. With the same number of staff, we can manage a lot more clients than we could before. So we're more profitable as well. And the nice thing about that is that if we take those profits and plow them back into staff training, we end up with a better product to sell onto our future clients. So it's a nice sort of circular flow, really. Kaseya is the tool, but how we use it is what makes us different to any other Kaseya MSP out there. They're incredible in terms of leading the market. You know, they've taken the managed services model and they've really promoted it as their own effectively. People don't know what managed services are out there. And Kaseya is educating not just the managed services companies, but the customers as well.